Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is probably one of the most requested videos that I had when I asked on Instagram what you guys wanted to see for my channel. I'm actually kind of surprised. I'm actually flattered. Just a little bit. But today we are going to be making protein shakes. So I love protein shakes, especially after like this weight loss and my journey. It's the easiest way for me to actually get my protein in without having to eat, even when I'm busy. So I only use Fairlife as my bases. These are the only protein shakes that in my opinion don't taste like shit. It tastes like you're drinking a milkshake. So they have 3 flavors. They have chocolate, vanilla, and salted caramel. This bad boy is the best, and it is the hardest one to find. I had to order it on Amazon and pay double the price, but I did it again because it just tastes the best. Vanilla is my second favorite, and then chocolate. But they're all really good. There's 30 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and 150 calories in one. And 4 carbs, which is amazing. 11.5 fluid ounces. You can't beat that. So these are what I use for my base of the shake instead of water or milk. The game changer would be the flavors. So I've transferred them all into mason jars because I am crazy when it comes to my cabinet. I like everything to look nice for the most part. So these are what I put in my shakes to give them the extra flavor, because you know, the salted caramel, the vanilla, the chocolate, these are the real game changer. So I'm gonna put the link in the bottom, of course, in the info box, but let me read you the website. So the website is abundantlifefoods.com. I think they have an affiliation with Herbalife, but I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. But on their website, I'll put the video somewhere, probably right here because there's more space. I'll put the video up here what the website looks like. These are called dry syrup mixes, and they come in so many flavors. So what I did was, you can get an assorted case. So I think you choose, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you choose 6 flavors, and they send them to you in like bags. And it comes with a lot because you only need like a teaspoon in each shake. So it's definitely worth it. It's a little pricey, but I definitely think that it's worth the money. So they have flavors like almond, amaretto, apple pie, banana, birthday cake, black cherry, blueberry, brown cinnamon sugar, brownie batter. It's a lot to read. Carrot cake, cookie dough, cheesecake, chocolate, donut, cotton candy, coconut espresso, gingerbread, hazelnut, honey, key lime, mango, maple syrup, orange, and the list goes on. So the ones that I have here are all my favorite. My first favorite is probably birthday cake. This is one of my faves. We're gonna make this one today. My second favorite is definitely gonna be cinnamon roll. Where's that? Cinnamon roll is definitely my second favorite. My third is gonna be red velvet or brownie batter. We're gonna make the brownie batter today as well. And then there's also strawberry shortcake, which is a game changer. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of cream cheese in the shake, and it really gives me like that strawberry cheesecake taste. What's this one? Oh wait, that was strawberry cheesecake. Okay, so wait, I lied. I put a scoop of cream cheese in this one, and it really gives me that strawberry flavor. So maybe we'll switch it up. You know what we'll do? We'll do birthday cake, we'll do cinnamon roll, we'll do brownie batter, and we'll do strawberry shortcake. So we're gonna make those 2. Now to spice it up even more, I have sugar-free syrups. So I have the sugar-free caramel by Smucker's. Now the only thing with these if you're counting carbs, please listen. Yes, they are sugar-free. Yes, they are low calorie. But 2 tablespoons of this has 25 carbs. That's a lot. So on an average day, I try to stay under 50. Most times I could accomplish it. If it goes out the window, it's usually far deep down out the window. So typically I'll try to only use like a dab on the top or a dab in the cup, less than 2 tablespoons, because 25 carbs is a lot of carbs just for an add-on. Now the chocolate syrup is a little different. So this is the sugar-free chocolate syrup I use. It only has 8 carbs in 2 tablespoons, and I still don't use the full 2 tablespoons. So that's that. And then the only thing that bothers me about strawberry syrup is that I don't have it in sugar-free. So in 1 tablespoon there are 12 carbs and 11 grams of sugar. So if you're counting sugars and carbs, just beware. This is not really what you want. It looks cute, it tastes good, but everything that tastes good isn't always the best for you. Then there's that. And then of course whipped cream, which is only 1 carb and 1 sugar per 2 tablespoons, which is awesome. We add that onto the top. For birthday cake, I do rainbow sprinkles. For the cinnamon roll, we're gonna put, these are organic, like what's the real cereal called? Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but these are the ones from Trader Joe's. So there's not a lot of sugar or a lot of carbs in them because they're organic. And then fat-free graham cracker crust for the strawberry shortcake, and then I'll grab the rainbow sprinkles. Okay, so here's what you need. You need a protein shake, which is a base, a flavor. What is this? Vanilla. We're just gonna do sprinkles. An add-on. These are sprinkles in the Rita's cup. A blender of some sort. I have my Ninja here. Ice. So let's get to it. Shake it. So this one I had opened this morning, so it's not the full 11.5 ounces because I had opened it to make my protein pancake because that's what I use. Ice cubes. Depending on how thick you want your shake is how many ice cubes you add. Sometimes I want mine super thick, so I fill the whole cup up with ice cubes. For today's purposes, we're not going to do that. So then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of the birthday cake batter in there. I'm gonna put just like a little pinch. That wasn't a lot. A little pinch of the sprinkles. I always shake it first before I put it on the blender. So before I turn my blender on, I'm just going to warn you. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's finicky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So if I press the button 10 times, just mind your business. See, this is what I'm talking about. Please don't show out in front of my subscribers, okay? I still hear ice cubes. Take your cup, we'll do a little sprinkle action on the bottom for aesthetic, like that. Boom, 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 boom. First one done. Let me take a picture of it because that looks fire. Fire. Literally tastes just like birthday cake. Alright, next we're gonna do, the flavor is called cinnamon bun. I call it a cinnamon toast crunch shake because I put the cinnamon toast crunch on it. So I use the salted caramel shake. I'm gonna put 2 ice cubes in there. Now, because these cups are small, typically I drink my shakes in a mason jar, like this size. So I use the whole shake. But these cups for the episode today are small, so I'm not putting the whole shake in there. 1 teaspoon of our flavor. Am I missing anything? No. I'm gonna shake it. Here comes the fun part with the camera. Shake that. We're gonna decorate the cup a little bit. Okay, I'm getting a little Starbucks on. Got this one, right? I'm gonna smash some of these. These are so good. Okay guys, so for our last shake, we are going to make, should I do brownie batter or strawberry? Matter of fact, we might be able to do both because I still have some vanilla left over. So we'll do a brownie batter. 2 ice cubes in there. Oh, I didn't even put the flavor in. You see I'm blushing. Chocolate syrup. I be getting fancy with it. That looks so cute. No, this one looks fire. It doesn't even need whipped cream. Look at that. That's a protein shake. See, that's the one. So we have cinnamon toast crunch, birthday cake, and brownie batter. Those are 3 of my favorites. If you guys have any questions, please DM me on Instagram at TheAnaJ. All the links for all the products that you need will be below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and always tuning in. I love you guys, and send me any more ideas or anything else you want to watch. We can make it happen for you. Well, I can make it happen for you.